Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absolute majority. Absolute majority. Absolute majority. Absolute majority is a political term used to describe a situation in which a candidate or a party receives more than 50% of the total votes or seats in an election, allowing them to have complete control or authority. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The candidate needed to obtain an absolute majority of the votes to avoid a runoff election. Why absolute majority use in example number 1. Absolute majority is mentioned to explain the requirement for the candidate to secure more than 50% of the votes to win the election outright. Example number 2. To pass a bill in the legislature, it must receive an absolute majority of votes from the members. Why absolute majority use in example number 2. Here, absolute majority is used to describe the number of votes required for a bill to be approved, emphasizing the need for more than 50% support. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.